Hello everyone, my name is Megha Goyal. I welcome you all on my channel. My channel Divine Souls talk about the solution of your life. If any family member get ill in your family, you visit doctor and at the same time you start praying to the God for his quick recovery. Do you know that there is a specific archangel that can help you in a faster healing? If you know that angel, then write down the name of that angel in the comment section below. As there are many archangels in an angelic realm, and every archangel have a different role given by the God to help us. Same way, Archangel Raphael is the healing supreme angel that help us in our quick recovery related to health. In this video, I will be showing you Archangel Raphael candle healing spell. This spell you can do for any health issues. Do this spell with faith and you will see the magic, that how divine magics begin now. For this, you will be needing a green candle, the statue of Archangel Raphael. If you don't have the statue of Archangel Raphael, you can use the photograph of Archangel Raphael. So you can take out the printout of Archangel Raphael from the Google and you can use it in this ritual. You will be needing green candle, the breadcrumbs. You can see the breadcrumbs. So you will grind one bread and it will make in a form of breadcrumbs. You will be needing a salt. So any type of salt you can use in this spell, whether rock salt or normal basic salt can also be used in this ritual. Now what you will do, you will take a green candle and you will place in the middle of the plate. Now with the breadcrumbs, you will make the outer layer around the green candle. So basically you are making a circle with the breadcrumb around the green candle. So after making the circle with the breadcrumb, you will make the circle with the salt again outside the breadcrumb circle. So you will be making a circle with the salt. Once you make the circle with breadcrumbs and salt, you have to recite the following prayer for Archangel Raphael. So the invocation for Archangel Raphael, you will say her, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for healing me completely right now. I repeat, you will say, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for healing me completely right now. And then you will light the candle. If you are doing this spell for someone else, then instead of me, you will recite that person's name in the prayer. Once the candle burn completely, you will discard the residue or you can leave the residue under a tree. It is totally up to you. Here I want to mention that the doctor consultation and doctor help is really required. This spell is for the better and help in getting quick recovery of the patient. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe my channel for the future updates. My name is Megha Goyal. I am an astrologer, numerologist, past life therapist, Vastu consultant, tarot card reader, psychic healer and a life coach. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.